Hey guys, what's up? It's Katie here. Welcome back to my channel. So, I just want to take you through kind of what I eat in a day when I'm doing whatever, and yeah. Super random, but I've been trying to be gluten-free. I said this on my Instagram because I tried dairy-free and it didn't help my acne. I really just have scars now. So I'm seeing how that goes. It's going pretty well. If you guys have any advice to get rid of my acne scars, would love to hear them because I've been trying different serums, but nothing's really working like as fast as I want it to, aka just a few weeks. So let me know if you guys have any advice on how to get rid of some acne scars. I would love that. I already worked out. I had my coffee. I actually just worked out like right outside here, outside of my house. And I did a nice 25-minute HIIT workout that was on my app. Super easy. And so I didn't eat anything before that because I kind of like literally just woke up and I worked out. I didn't even have time to think about food because I kind of have a hectic day today. I am answering emails now, and then I am making myself breakfast at the same time. 2 egg whites, 1 egg, and then a half a cup of oatmeal. Half a cup uncooked makes like a little bit more round. 1 cup cooked. Put a little bit of honey in there, and then a little bit of almond butter. All right, hey guys, so I just showed you my breakfast. It was a little bit lighter just because I'm about to go to an audition, and that's something that a lot of you guys don't really know. If you just follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, you probably think I'm just like an influencer, content creator, whatever, and oops, it's fallen. I'm all of that, and I'm a TV host and stuff, but a lot of you guys don't really see what goes on behind the scenes, and I do a lot of auditions and have a lot of meetings, and let's just say I don't really talk about it that often because I mostly get 99% of no's. And it's really hard sometimes because you basically just like say your name and they take a few photos and then you say like, hi, I'm Katie Austin. I am 5'6". I blah, 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 I do this, I did this, I did this. And then they're like, thank you so much. And I drive an hour and a half to go to them. And there have been some awesome things that have come out of my auditions. Every like 50 auditions I go to, I get 1 yes. So kind of discouraging, and I just wanted to show you guys and tell you guys that other side because it can look so easy on the outside being like, oh wow, she does so many cool things and stuff, but it's not always like that. It's really hard to make it in LA and try your best to become someone and have that dream. And I mean, you know, I've been wanting to live in LA ever since I was little, and you have to have a lot of patience. I've technically been going to auditions since my sophomore year of college, so that would be what, 5 years? You just never know. And yeah. Okay, so this is my lunch to go. I went to a salad place. I got light Caesar salad wrap, add extra olive oil, salt, and pepper with broccoli, corn, chicken, and romaine lettuce. Looks so good. So when working from home, I always, try to eat a little bit healthy because the kitchen is literally right there and I will eat everything in sight. Sparkling lemon water, pomegranate seeds as a snack, and I had this smoothie just now. I'm officially the worst at these vlogs because I drank my whole entire smoothie already. But I did go to a local cafe. I walked there to go get this. It was blueberries, a half a banana, coconut water, almond butter, and a little bit of protein powder. So freaking good. Pomegranates are the perfect snacking. I aimlessly eat when I'm working. Stay tuned for that. All right, you guys, so I went to the grocery store. I picked up some of my favorite things from Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna show you my favorite, one of my favorite meals that I make with a lot of Trader Joe's stuff. No, not sponsored, I just like Trader Joe's because it is cheaper and you find some like crazy good finds there. This dinner that I'm about to show you guys kind of feels like you're eating a cheat meal because it's pizza, but it's really healthy and super good. So when I came home from the grocery store, I showered, and now I am gonna put on this face mask. It is a detox face mask. Wearing this face mask while I cook dinner, and here we go. Alright, so it is time for bed, and I forgot to end this vlog, and I also forgot to take off my face mask. It's only been like an hour and a half. It's fine. Probably not good for my skin. Hope you guys really loved this what I eat in a day and kind of other things miscellaneous as well. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later.